Let's be real for a second. Most guys have at some point looked down at their manhood and thought, damn, is this even enough? And what makes it worse is social media, the hub, the locker room talk, all of it got you thinking that every other dude is walking around with a third leg in his pants. So now you're wondering, can you actually make your package bigger naturally? No surgery, no pills, no weird scams. I'll tell you everything in the next few minutes. And stay until the end if you want to know if your girl will leave you just because you have a small package. So let's just jump right into it. Tip number one: most guys are not using 100% of their size. Yes, you heard that right. Yes, your tool, your rod, your Johnson, whatever you want to call it, might not actually be reaching his full potential. Why? Because size is not just about genetics, it's about blood flow, hormones, body fat, pelvic floor strength, and overall health. Health in general. There are dudes out there with average equipment, but because their secretion is on point, their erection are harder, fuller, and more expanded. Their manhood literally becomes bigger when it matters. Meanwhile, another guy might have the exact same genetics, but he has poor blood flow, weak pelvic muscles, and a high body fat. Guess what? Now his package looks smaller than what it actually is, right? So before you even think about growing anything, bro, you need to unlock what is already there. Tips number two now. You need to lose the fat around your base. If you got extra fat around your lower stomach, your pubic area, that fat can actually bury parts of your package. Meaning your penis could be longer, but it is hidden. You don't want that, right? Some studies have shown that losing weight can reveal up to 1 to 2 inches of your shaft that was previously covered. So it's not that your dick got longer overnight, no, it's because it is no longer hiding inside your body. Think about it like this: if you push your finger into a pillow, it looks shorter, right? It is the same finger surrounded by fluff, right? That is what belly fat does to your manhood. So when you lose that fat, more of your Johnson looks visible now. So it is an instant upgrade. Tips number three now: Kegel exercises. Yes, women have said so much about it, and I think men need to start doing it too. The Kegel exercises. Your pelvic floor muscles are responsible for erection strength, blood trapping, ejaculation control, and even how full your manhood feels during sex. So weak pelvic muscles equal softer erection, but stronger pelvic muscles equal harder, thicker looking shaft. And here's how to find them. Next time you are peeing, try to stop the flow. Yes, try to stop the flow midstream. Yes, that muscle you are squeezing. That's the pelvic muscle. That's what you need to train. Now, don't make a habit of doing it while peeing. No, that's just to look at it. Instead, squeeze that muscle, hold it for 5 seconds, relax it for 5 seconds, and repeat the process 10 to 50 times a day. No, 10 to 15 times, doing that 2 to 3 times a day. That is the routine for you. Over time, this helps your tool stay engaged with blood longer, and more blood equal more expansion. And tip number four now, you need to improve your blood flow. How? But first, your package runs on blood. Yes, your dick runs on blood. It needs blood. Blood makes your shaft looks stronger. Blood makes your shaft looks bigger and thicker and longer too. So no blood, no size, simple. So if you're smoking, barely moving, eating junk food every day, and sleeping 4 hours a night, bro, you are ruining your chances of growing your manhood. So your circulation is trash if you do those things. And that means that your penis can fill up properly. So what you do instead, start doing cardio 3 to 4 times a week, walking daily, drinking more water, and eating foods that support nitric oxide like spinach, beets, and dark chocolate. Better circulation means better erections, and better erections makes your member expand to its maximum capacity, which again makes it appear bigger. Tips number 5 now. You need to stop, yes, you need to stop killing your erection, bro. A lot of guys are unknowingly shrinking their performance, shrinking their package by watching too much porn, watching the hub too much, being constantly stressed. It kills your hormones, not sleeping enough, and having low testosterone. All of these mess with your ability to get fully hard. So even if your dick has the potential to be bigger during an erection, you are never actually reaching it. Fix your sleep first and manage your stress. Lift weights, yes. Squatting, yes, squatting can boost your testosterone. It can help get a bigger, you know what, and get sunlight. Your hormones affect how your package responds when it is time to perform. And the last one, the last tip, your girl will not leave you just because you have a small package. She wants. She will leave you because you are insecure about it. She will leave you because you are awkward about it. She will leave you because you don't know how to use what you have. She will leave you because you make your size your entire personality. That is why she will leave you. Confidence changes how she perceives your member. Comfort changes the experience. And experience beats size way more often than you think. And plenty of guys with average like dick keep women satisfied for years. Why? Because they know their angles. They take their times and they actually pay attention to the woman. So if you want your shaft to look and feel bigger naturally, one, lose excess fat around your pubic area, around your, yes, train your pelvic floor, improve blood flow, fix your sleep, lift weights, and stop sabotaging your chances, your erections. Maximize what you already have. Maximize it. Full potential. Because the truth is, you don't need a miracle, you just need your manhood operating at full power. And that's it, that is the end. Stay hard. I'll catch you in the next one.